How to solve the biggest problems of offshore outsourcing. Outsourcing to foreign countries can pose numerous challenges, especially for companies with no prior outsourcing experience. Let's delve into the biggest problems of offshore outsourcing and provide solutions for each one. 1. Language barrier. We all know that working with people who share a common language is quite straightforward. However, at times, you may need to collaborate with individuals from countries where English is not their native language. Even if their language is English, dialects can lead to misunderstandings. So, how can we address this issue? The first step you should take is to ascertain whether the outsourcing company is proficient in the language you are using. In our increasingly borderless world, it's not uncommon to find companies that are fluent in English. Besides assessing their verbal communication skills, pay attention to how they write emails and messages. You should ensure that those directly working with you possess a certain level of English proficiency to prevent miscommunication or misunderstandings during the work process. 2. Time zone difference. When seeking an overseas outsourcing partner, it's evident that your time zones will likely differ. It can be troublesome if you can't reach your partner when needed. Not all outsourcing companies offer 24/7 customer service, and if there's a significant geographical distance between you, this can pose a challenge. Imagine discovering an error in the project and needing a quick fix, but your partner won't be available until the next morning, right when you're about to finish your work. How would you handle this situation? Working with a partner closer to you is ideal, but there might be high-quality partners that fall outside your immediate geographic area. Here are some ways to avoid missing out on potential partners due to time zones or geographical distance. Ask your potential partners about emergency contacts and see if there's a way to address their after-hours availability. While they may not work 24/7, they might find a way to resolve issues in the shortest time possible. Additionally, inquire about their willingness to work overtime to meet your project deadlines. Maintain regular communication with your partners to stay updated on the project's progress and potentially expedite the project. 3. Lack of trust. Working with a partner halfway around the world, it's understandable to have concerns about trust. Trust issues can stem from their physical workspace, their employees, the quality of their products, their project completion times, and more. However, there are several ways to instill more trust in your partner. First, thoroughly vet your partner's information, from their personnel profiles and their operational photos to their previous projects. Second, request the service provider to create a detailed project plan and process, ensuring that both you and your partner agree on critical milestones. Third, ask them to ensure efficient communication channels for quick issue resolution. Fourth, verify the financial stability of your outsourcing partner to ensure they can complete the project or compensate for any losses or delays that may occur. Finally, check the legal framework of the country to understand how they handle negative outcomes from an outsourcing project and prepare for the worst-case scenario. 4. Poor information security. In today's fiercely competitive landscape, having more information can give you a competitive edge in the market. Intellectual property ownership and data security are always crucial aspects of business collaboration. When outsourcing, it means sharing some of your data and information with a third party. But how can you ensure that you have full control and security over all your data? The first step is for both parties to sign a non-disclosure agreement. You need to specify each term with a transparent structure and outline penalties for violations. However, the partner may not always be the sole risk. There are cases where data leaks occur beyond their control, such as their servers being hacked or attacked by malicious sources. So, it's advisable to inquire if they have contingency plans or advanced technologies to prevent these security breaches. 5. Outdated technology. Technology can significantly impact the quality of a product. To achieve the best quality, it's essential to ensure that your partner is using the latest and most robust hardware and constantly updating their software. If their technology is outdated, it can lead to incompatibility between the product they produce and the product you require. Ask them for detailed information about the technologies they use to create their products. Also, review the finished products they have delivered in the past to assess the technology they apply. 6. Delayed product completion. One of the severe drawbacks of outsourcing is the potential for project delays. If you have set commitments with your customers, these delays can lead to missed deadlines and harm your reputation. While you might receive compensation for failure or delays, there's also a possibility that you won't. So, how can you avoid this? First, only work with reliable partners. Do they have a 100% on-time delivery rate, and if not, why? Ensure that your contract clearly specifies terms for late delivery. Moreover, prepare for the worst-case scenario. Will you recover your reputation, or how will you navigate the situation? Furthermore, allocate time for product inspection and feedback to the supplier for rectifications before delivering to the customer. 7. Failure to meet quality standards. Businesses often prefer outsourcing because it can reduce their costs, with the same budget yielding 2 to 3 times the workload as compared to hiring locally. However, quality may not always be guaranteed, given factors like inexperienced personnel and weak team management. Nevertheless, not all businesses face this issue. Some partners are located in regions with a young and cost-effective workforce, offering lower service costs while maintaining high-quality staff and production. To ensure quality, examine their previous projects to assess the quality of the completed products. Additionally, consider online reviews and feedback from previous customers on relevant forums or websites. At Civil Outsourcing.com, we provide technical services in the AEC field, prioritizing time and quality above all. We always tackle challenges head-on and don't back down from any difficulties. If you need outsourcing for your project, don't hesitate to contact us via email at contact@civiloutsourcing.com or website, civiloutsourcing.com. We aim to exceed your expectations and leave you more than satisfied.